AJ's doing a little pre-gaming. My neighbors love it when AJ comes to visit. Hey, you're about to lose your wallet. So we're going to meet up with a few other friends today for a ride. Alright, well everyone's here. Obviously we don't know where we're going. Everyone's pointed in a different direction. I forgot to put my thermals on underneath these jeans, so I'm already cold. Bad idea. Isn't it funny that he's wheeling a dump truck on two wheels and he's better than us?
Well, his mustache is obviously better than ours, so.
Yeah, well, that's true. You remember when I used to be better than you at wheelies? Yeah. That was a good time. I enjoyed that. Oh my God. We're off to a fantastic start today. God. This road is sketchy as F. Super fucking sandy. Yeah, this is a real bad idea. All this sand and shit is from when it snowed, but it's been over a week since there's been snow on the ground, and it's rained several times, so I figured the roads wouldn't be that bad, but I guess on these back roads, still sand all over the roads. I didn't think there'd be that much sand on the road still after all the rain.
It's pretty sketchy.
Yeah. It's a little more of a main road. Hopefully it's a little cleaner.
This is bad. Real bad.
This is like dirt bike terrain. Oh my God, where are they taking us? Holy shit. Oh my God, even some mud. Okay, cool. I don't know who has it worse, me and AJ or Joe, because Joe's bike is definitely not made for this, and it also has power. I mean, AJ AJ's bikes are not made for this, but we only have like 7 horsepower each, so it doesn't spin out as easily. Wheelie? Wheelie out here?
Fucking idiot.
I had to.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Let me tell you a secret. These are not meant for that. So sketchy.
Well, let's walk out there. Let's take the bikes out there.
That's alright.
Nah, I'm good.
Oh, so pretty.
Ooh, so pretty!
I can't believe you did a fucking wheelie on this. Normally I'm down for pretty much anything.
That sketched you out.
I'm down for shit, but like, these roads are scaring me and I probably wouldn't have done that.
Yeah, it's stupid.
Definitely think that I am
Gay.
I wish there was a big rock I could throw through the ice.
Everyone's already found all the loose rocks.
You should do that wheelie again whenever we get our bikes off of here, and I'll take a picture of it with just the lake in the background. You'll get all the pussy.
Off you through wheelie all the way out into the lake.
Dude, I'll get all the fucking fish pussy out there.
I thought you were talking
They'll
about
think
your
it's sick. And I don't mean like smelly, I just mean actual fish. Dude, there's fucking rocks everywhere. It's like we're outside. Here's a weed doing. Yeah, like there's a ton of them growing over here, guys. I wouldn't think they'd be growing in the wintertime like this, but here they are, ready to be harvested.
Damn it.
What about that one?
I tried it already. It won't fucking go anywhere.
Did you set your purse down?
You do it. Get it. That's a bitch rock. What are you doing?
That's... Bro, let me see your rock. None of these are ready to be harvested other than this one. There's a couple small ones that are loose, I can tell. Professional rock harvester. Those ones are just right. Oh, look at you, AJ. That's a bitch rock. Look, I got 30 of them. I just hit my GoPro. Is it rock proof? Do you want a rock to throw, Caitlin? I know you do. You can have any one you want.
I'll take this one.
It's pretty rad. It's a good throwing rock.
Yes.
Dude, you can walk out there.
We gotta hit that little hole right there.
Pretty close. We can walk out there. Oh, Derek comes in with the big kahuna.
I came in like a wrecking ball.
Well, that was a thing we did.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll be a cold ride back.
Oh, it's so sturdy, guys.
Yeah.
You can see it like moving. That's how sturdy it is. You can see it moving clear down there.
Do it. What would AJ do?
Stand up there on the dock.
Yep. There ain't no fishes or nothing.
Ain't no fishes or nothing, Jesus.
I have no shoes or nothing, Jesus.
Well, my GoPro battery is about to die. I gotta give Joe props. Most people that have cruisers like that definitely don't take them on rides like this, especially when he just purchased that about a day or two ago. But he's breaking it in right. Hands cold. Yeah, the GoPro died, but I charged it with a battery pack for a while so that I could at least film a little more. Go meet AJ at his house.
How do you get on it? How do you do this?
Well, it only goes one way, and it needs to go that way.
Oh, it goes this way? How do you do it? Okay, so you go, okay. Hold on,
Both.
hold on.
Both feet.
This?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Oh, hell no. That's not fucking happening. I'm gonna stick with the scooter.
It's been a hot second since I've been on it.
The old drip stick? Stoked as fuck and only like 15 seconds in.
Oh, I can't do that.
Feet back and forth.
Where else? 1 foot!
So cold I don't want to move.
Oh my fucking God, rip my stick.
Woo!
These kids are gonna shoot us. Oh no. So we're going to ride to the skate park.
Fuck riding in the country. That was awful. It was fun, but it was not fun. You know what I mean?
I've never been more embarrassed than carrying this thing. It's different when you're not in a kitchen.
Oh my God, transfer.
transition was smooth.
That was it. That was it.
Yeah, I almost died on that snowplow. Holy! And he's right behind us. Well, cop just turned away, so that's not going to turn out very exciting. He followed me for a while, and then turned away.
Yeah.
I should have done a dank woolly in front of him like they do on the
Sure,
interwebs. So that will probably do it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. So until the next one, peace out, Girl Scouts.
This is all I want to do every day. Just ride a motorcycle.
Yeah.